Right now, it's hard to find a lot of positive things in crypto, right? There's a lot of negative stuff that's going on, but there are some very good things going on for Shiba Inu. And I want to talk to you guys about what some of those things are. So, obviously, we know that the Shiba Inu ecosystem continues to grow, right? It's getting larger and larger as time goes on, whether that be with the Shiba Eternity game that was released about a month and a half ago, whether that be the burn protocols that are put into place. All these sorts of things are happening, but I'd say one of the most anticipated things in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is Shibarium. So Shibarium, if you're not familiar, is going to be the layer 2 chain on Ethereum. Okay, it's created by the Shiba Inu devs, and it is well underway as far as development goes. Now, there's a lot of things that have had to be done to get to this point, right? And Shytoshi, who's the lead dev for Shiba Inu, that's done Shiba Eternity, that has been dealing with Shibarium, right? He's been giving us some hints, right? Kind of keeping us informed along the way. Now, what is very cool to see, and we got a little bit of a sneak peek about 2 weeks ago, a little over 2 weeks ago, almost 3 weeks ago, actually. He said, head down working. Update coming soon, and I think you will love it. Hashtag Shiba Eternity, hashtag Shibarium, hashtag Shib Army. This was back on October 29th. So what this was in reference to, and at least what came shortly thereafter, was the player's guide that was created for Shiba Eternity. Obviously give people give everybody the step-by-step how to actually play the game, right? Because you kind of just went in not really knowing how things worked. But he said in a tweet thereafter, which I don't have in front of me right now, that there was a process for this, right? It basically went Shiba Eternity, Shibarium, then Shiba Eternity on Shibarium. So the next natural step in this whole process is Shibarium, okay? So he is now, or the team is now working very, very hard on this. And we got a little bit of an update on the 16th, okay? It said initial design approved. Now I can double down. Let the debris show itself as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world. Now, the community has speculated, obviously, what this was in reference to, but knowing that Shibarium is what the team is working on right now, people are naturally trying to connect the dots, right? They're naturally connecting that the initial design for Shibarium is approved, right? It's ready to go. Now, that being said, we're not sure whether that has to do with the code or with the front end or anything like that, but these are the kind of little like hint updates that we get from the team. That's just kind of the way that they do things, and being clouded in a shroud of mystery isn't necessarily such a bad thing, right? It gives them the opportunity to ease up on the expectations. We know these sorts of things take time. Shibarium was supposed to be launched, or at least the testnet for it was supposed to be launched in Q3 of 2022. Obviously, we're well past that at this point in time. And we know that these sorts of things take time. But the very cool thing is that, while bad, not necessarily great things are happening in crypto, Shiba Inu and the ecosystem that they're building continues to thrive during this time. So I appreciate you guys as always. Appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope to catch you in the next one.